Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the place where we uncover the truth behind trending online products and expose scams before you waste your hard-earned money. Today, we're checking out the Galaxy Ball, that glowing floating ball that's been popping up all over TikTok, Instagram, and online ads. But the big question is it really worth buying or just another flashy gimmick? Let's find out! So what exactly is the Galaxy Ball? According to the ads, it's a rechargeable flying orb that lights up in multiple colors, hovers in the air, and can be controlled just by waving your hands. Some even call it the futuristic boomerang toy. The sellers claim it's fun for both kids and adults, perfectly safe, and can even perform tricks mid-air. Sounds amazing, right? But when you look closer, things start to get a little suspicious. Here's what I found after doing some digging. Many websites are selling the same looking Galaxy Ball, but with different brand names, different prices, and the exact same photos. That's a major red flag. Customer reviews on independent platforms tell a different story. Some buyers say the ball stops working after just a few uses. Others mention it doesn't fly or hover like shown in ads, and the build quality feels cheap and fragile. Another issue, no clear contact details or refund policy on many of these sites. Once you buy it and face issues, getting a replacement or refund can be nearly impossible. Now, I'm not saying every Galaxy Ball seller is a scam, but it's definitely one of those overhyped products that don't live up to expectations. Yes, it might light up and spin for a while, but don't expect the smooth hovering tricks you see in the ads. Those clips are often heavily edited or filmed using invisible strings and slow motion. So, if you're thinking of buying it, maybe skip it, or at least get it from a trusted platform like Amazon where you have return protection. So, final verdict? The Galaxy Ball is fun to look at, but it's more of a short-lived novelty than a quality toy. Definitely not worth overpaying for. If you've bought one before, drop your experience in the comments. I'd love to know if it worked for you or turned out to be a flop. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button to stay alert about more online scams and fake product traps. This is Online Scam Advisor, helping you shop smarter and safer. Thank you!